It's recording.
Okay.
Hi!
Alright, gloves. You wanna do that?
I just want to know what I'm in for. Do we turn the light on or no?
No.
Okay. I don't know if I'm prepared for this, to be honest with you.
You wanna do this or the next?
Oh my!
There he is.
What? Yeah, that's real small, man! Hold on. Just let it calm down. Real small. Let's open the door. Let's open the bottom door and see
Okay.
if it doesn't... Here, birdie. Oh my god, it's in the kitchen!
He's by the tiger. Oh.
Okay, let's just let it calm down a little. And then we can kind of scooch it out the door.
He's on the tiger. Oh crap.
Okay. Where is he?
He's on top of the fan.
Okay, well maybe he'll kind of see the outside.
Down.
Oh! Okay.
I don't know.
There's feathers flying everywhere.
Go downstairs.
I take it all the windows are frozen shut too.
Probably, yeah. They have frost on them.
Oh, hi baby. Oh, it's tired.
I got all the wine bottles down on this side anyways.
Good job.
Turn the fan on. Go downstairs. Uh-oh. What's he in?
Don't try to do that thing you do with butterflies with the net. Oh, honey, you've got to go downstairs. Are you filming through the net?
Yeah.
That's kind of silly.
Okay, maybe if we both stand over here, he'll go down. Down.
Look, light! Light, Mr. Bird! Look! Down here! That's the homeland! That's the promised land! Oh. What's going on? God, Matt, be careful.
Here he comes. Down.
No. Where is he?
He's on the wine glasses.
Oh,
okay, he's over there
shoot.
now.
Oh my god. Okay.
I think the only way is to catch it.
But how the hell are we... I can't do this.
I can catch it.
Oh, there he goes.
There he goes.
Shoot!
Oh!
Open it! Open it! Please, hurry!
Okay.
That was my fault.
He'll be okay.
Is he alright?
Yeah. He just has to fly and then he'll find it.
Come on, honey. Look, we opened it for you. You can go home now. Back in our dryer.
Okay, well.
Shit. He's behind the computer desk. He's
Well, he can
disoriented.
find his...
No, he can't. Because it's solid against the wall. Mr. Bird. Oh God, he's pulling that cord. You're wearing gloves, you're fine. He's back there. There's a small opening. It's not all the way open though. You gotta get those orange books. Okay, you're almost there. A couple more.
Is there an opening?
Yeah, but he's gone.
He's probably on this ledge.
Oh, God.
Or behind the opening. Just give him room if he decides to.
Ah, he's on the floor again. He's coming out. Okay, good. No, outside. There he goes. Yes!
Yes!
Victory is ours!